with some.
You should totally put like 3 more logs on there. So they stick out. Yeah, just put some more logs on, then it'll flame up. Because it's going really good right now. You don't really need the gas. It just needs more wood.
The gas is like, oh, gosh.
Okay, we start when we flare.
Hold on. Right. Hold on, I gotta light the cigar. I can't drive without the cigar in my mouth.
Yeah, I should probably light a cigar too. You have a cigar?
Use some lighter fluid. Get one of these alcohol bombs. You want a Capone?
Those are turkey fried cigars.
Oh, yeah. I was just going to do the
Cognac dip.
Take it out the door.
I broke my cigar. I guess I'm smoking. Tiffany, any hat or anything?
Here you go.
No, I'm alright.
Hey, you want my hat, baby? I'm not wearing my gloves if you want some warm gloves.
Oh no.
All right,
My
chums.
money's on blue. Who's blue?
Time for another.
I like blue's attitude.
Time for another good idea, bad idea.
So he's got a trifecta.
Good idea. Ready?
All right, ready.
3, 2, 1. Motor system. Out of range! Bye.
got the last spot in the color matter.